Sa video na to, tuturuan natin kayong mag-convert ng isang number system to another number system using your calculator. So, to do that, pupunta lang tayo dito sa mode. Puntaan natin yung mode. And then as you can see, pag pinuntan mo yung mode dyan, we have many options. And pipindutin lang natin dito yung base N. So, as you can see, meron ka ng decimal. At kung titignan mo dito, may decimal, may hexa, decimal, may binary, and octal. So, paano tayo magko-convert easily using our calculator? So, kunwari lang, po-convert natin decimal na 123. And then, i-click natin itong hex, no? So, kapag hindi ka nakapag-base N na mode, pag kinlik mo to, x raised to something ang lalabas. Pero kapag naka-base N ka, automatically, if you click this, mako-convert siya. So, converting to hex, 7B. That is the conversion of hexadecimal of 123 na decimal. And then binary, kung i-convert mo, ito naman, yung 123. And octal, ito namang 173. Okay, so you can do it kahit saan, no? Even binary, 10001, you click equal sign and then you press decimal, you will get 33. And then you have hex, you have 21, you have octal, you have 41. So yun lang guys, see you.